This 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7164 BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Coachmen is 19 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleep 6, Skylight, leveling jacks, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, LP detector, stove top burner, external shower, water heater, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Coachmen Catalina Summit Series 7164 BHX is 2,969 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.